Okay, let's see the how to create the Google certificate. So first of all, we have to go for website. For example, open a new link. So in that new link, Google option is there. So first you have to choose the Gmail. So in your Gmail, so go to Gmail. So in the Gmail, this six dots is there, no? So you have to click this six dots, and it will be show the icons. So in this icon, you have to choose the drive option. If you click the drive option, it will come like this presentation form. So in this file option is there. So in that you can make the new presentation. So it is certificate already item. Okay, so how to make the certificate, I will clearly explain you step by step. So this certificate already I make for my online quiz. So now I will tell you about the how to create the certificate. For example, so this is a new presentation I am giving. Okay, so simply I will tell you, right? This is the dot option. I am clicking the drive option. So in the drive, so see the drive option. So in the drive, new option is there. So click the new option. So in that Google Documents is there, Google Sheet is there, Google Slide. You have to click the Google Slide for creating the certificate. So I am clicking the Google Slides. So now Google Slide is created. Okay. So in this I am making the certificate. For example, my college name. So I will just copy this one. I just copy this one. I make my college name. So this is my college name. First you. So this is my college name. Okay. Just I am sampling creating you. So whatever you want, you can create yourselves. So first you see, listen here. This is just empty presentation. In that how to create the certificate. So this is my college name. I am creating the certificate first. If you want template, these are all the themes. So these are all the themes available in our presentation. If you need more themes means, so directly you can get from net. Okay. So this is a in that presentation itself is there. So if you want new template means, if you want new template, okay, if you want new template means you have to choose the image option. So otherwise if you want new template, click the certificate frame. I'm clicking the certificate frame. Okay, so I'm choosing any certificate frame. For example, I'm choosing this certificate frame. So just you can, so I'm choosing this certificate frame or wait. So okay, you can check this certificate frame. So just to save image, just choose the save image. So this will be saved automatically in your desktop. Just you click the save images. So the image will be saved in desktop image format. So now I have to upload this certificate. So I have to upload this frame. So you choose the image option, upload from computer. So upload from computer. So in this I am selecting this frame, so the frame is created. Okay. So I choose the frame. So if you want to set back this certificate, how to set back? So listen here, just to order, go to order, just you have to click the right click option and choose the order option, send to back. Okay, it merged in this setback. So see here, again I am choosing this one and keep here. Okay, just this frame is set back. Okay, so if you want your college logo, so what you have to do means same thing, you have to choose upload from computer. So you have to choose, you have to save your college logo. So already I done some things. So I have this frame. So again I want to set back. So whatever frame you can choose yourself. Okay, this is my frame. So I want to go back this order, choose order option, right click, choose order option and send to back. Okay, why it's coming like this means already I set the frame, so I have to delete this frame. This frame is key. Okay, so if you want to type, okay, so now I want to logo, so insert image, upload from computer. Okay, so I am using my logo, so this is my logo. So see this logo, how I am doing carefully. So this is my logo. I am going to set back this one. So use the format option. Choose the, I want to merge it inside this one. So choose the format option. Choose the format option. So here size and rotation is there, and position is there, recolor is there, adjustment is there. Choose the adjustment. So I want to brightness means brightness. If you want to transparent means you can choose the transparent. It will be automatically it will be transparent. So see here. So it's transparent. So it transparent. Okay. Like this you can do. So now this certificate emblem is transparent. So now I have to edit the text. So here file option is there, edit option is there. Okay. So these are format slide, arrange tools, explore add-ons. Add-ons means certificate creation. So here text box is there. So I have to type this. Text box. So this is certify that, for example I'm just copying this. So this is department, choose the text box and just click and paste it. So I am selecting this one. Okay, I am selecting this one, paste your copy. So Department of Civil Engineering. So certificate participants. Okay, so here the emblems will be transparent. So if you want to do transparent, you can choose this transparent option, and then you can type the text, use the text box, you can type. So if you want to signature, same like for example I am choosing this one, same upload from computer. So if you have any signature, your principal or HODs, so already you sign, any signature will be available with you. Just use the paint option. So I am choosing this one. So this is my sign option. This is also you can do same thing. So this is also you can do same thing using the transparent format option is there. Use the format option, same adjustment, you can adjust this signature. See here, I will show you how to adjust it. Okay, same like transparent, brightness, contrast. So based on your size. So recolor. So I want to recolor my signature. If you want to green signature, you have to select. You can choose it here, signature option. So green color, whatever color if you want, you can choose in this color, signature option. Okay, so this is the method to how to create the certificate. And one more thing, so see here, this is the certified that full name. Why I am mentioning this full name in red color means, for understanding purpose I am mentioning this one. So and also whatever, for example in your spreadsheet is there, no? So click the plus symbol. Wait. So if you want to see the so see the spreadsheet. So why I am mentioning other identifier? So see here in the Google form is there. So this is our Google form. Okay. So this is the Google form. So in the Google form, this is the add-on. So here the plus symbol will be there. Okay, this is the certified M. Y means if you want to conduct any online quiz or any webcamming program, any programs if you are conducting means you have to choose this one. So see here, so here certificate record is there. So click the certificate record. You can able to see the email full name. So full name I mentioned, whatever it is in this mention, I mention this full name is there, other identifier, full name your name. So other identifier 1, so you can mention T. Gela Krishna Reddy. So other identifier 2, what you mention that will be comes under the certificate. Okay, that will come in this certificate. And date, so which date you are entering the attend the quiz, it will come on the date. So here it will show the person. So if you want to change the color, you can make it black. Okay, and what are the symbols will be there, same you have to copy in this one. So what are the, for example, see the spreadsheet. So here what are the thing is there, you just copy and paste here. For